Hello folks, and welcome for another review video. So today's review is about Kboovo. What is Kboovo, the pros and cons, the live demo, my opinion in the end of this video. And if you are new here, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about affiliate marketing and product reviews. So smash the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I will much appreciate it if you like this video. Let's help the video to appear for more people. So now let's get started. So first, what is Kboovo? Kboovo is an extremely affordable all-in-one affiliate solution providing every single software tool, automated infrastructure and ongoing training. Even top affiliates will appreciate one-click access to all these powerful tools. This isn't just a bunch of marketing tools bundled together. Everything in Kboovo is intelligently interwoven, saving important details for us in later steps. It remembers what you do as it intuitively knows your next steps, making the entire affiliate marketing process easier, faster, and as close to foolproof as you can get. Kboovo powers affiliates for all levels with powerful, reliable marketing software, innovative automation, and convenient management tools that help you to start, build, and grow your online income, even if you have zero experience. Today, more than 80% of all online businesses and 92% of all online websites incorporate affiliate marketing. Nearly 20%, 2 out of 10 of all purchase made online globally comes from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing will become a 10 billion industry by the end of 2021 and has grown 52 annually for the past 5 years. Google searches for the term affiliate marketing is at all-time record high. The problem for beginners finding up-to-date legit training that goes beyond just basics, having to buy multiple costly tools to implement the training even with today's technology. So this is some features you can benefit from Kboovo. Research and find more potential profitable keywords to tackle. Find and instantly add more related top-selling products. Add more monetization methods like Google AdSense. Monitor social media signals to maximize traffic and exposure. Create other related websites, domains to help boost the project. Create more landing pages and lead funnels. So here in the sales page, you just found the private software that helped us make more than 7 figures in affiliate commissions. Now you can get complete access to this entire software system that unlocks the full potential to daily affiliate commissions even if you have zero experience. You get the same exact intuitive system that we use every single day to earn faster, easier affiliate commissions from one convenient, powerful dashboard. Zero complicated barriers, complete affiliate marketing training, affiliate marketing software, powering thousands of affiliate websites. Intelligent affiliate software does all the heavy lifting for you. You'll discover the exact methods we use to earn daily commissions, free professional hosting for your commissions-ready affiliate sites, new courses and features to always give you the extra advantage, affiliate marketing specialists available to help you reach success, and finally, so easy you will want to fire your boss and earn income on your own terms. So Kboovo have more and more features you can find and use in one place. So let's take a look inside Kboovo. So for my opinion, this is a real solution for real people with real proof. I have not found it worthless. It is legit product for affiliate marketers who are serious to achieving 7 figures income a month. Kboovo hybrid affiliate marketing engine does it all for you. You will be able to make money from your passion easier than ever before. So guys, till now in the Kboovo review we have discussed everything about it. It's not a scam, it's legit product that you have never seen before. So if you want to purchase Kboovo, I will much appreciate it if you use my link in the description below. And yeah guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This is your friend Sad was with you guys, and see you on the next video.